Alright, so very quick review today. I have a McDonald's Beast Machines Blackarachnia with a lot of fun languages on the cover. This is the first Beast Machines figure I will ever own. And it is a McDonald's. So she comes in this little plastic tray. She has this little translucent, and I don't know how to transform her. Give me a sec. Alright, I'm back. I figured out the transformation scheme. You just have to flip up her arms, unpin her legs, bump up her little spider butt, rotate it around, and now you have that. It's a little funky. It also comes with a coupon that expired 23 years ago. Yay!